Welcome to InvestoSphere, the channel where your financial freedom begins. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others stay stuck, living paycheck to paycheck? It's not always about luck or inheritance. The truth is, the rich think differently. And more importantly, they act differently. It all comes down to the habits they build, day in and day out. In today's video, we're diving deep into the 7 money habits that can completely transform your financial life and help you build real, lasting wealth. These are not theories. These are practical, time-tested strategies used by millionaires and financially free individuals around the world. So, grab a notepad, settle in, and let's begin your journey to wealth, one habit at a time. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, buy groceries, or even spend on entertainment, pay yourself first. This means setting aside a fixed percentage of your income the moment you get paid. Whether it's 10%, 20%, or even just 5%, automate it. Move it to a savings or investment account before you touch a single dollar. It's how wealth begins. Not by saving what's left, but by saving first and living on the rest. This habit builds discipline, security, and long-term financial power. Ask yourself, what percentage of your income are you currently saving? And how can you make it automatic starting today? Habit 2. Track every dollar. If you don't know where your money is going, you'll never control it. Wealthy people treat their money like a business. They track expenses, review statements, and analyze spending. Use budgeting tools like Mint, an app, or even a spreadsheet. Break down your monthly income and expenses. Identify leaks and cut unnecessary costs. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Ask yourself, when was the last time you reviewed your monthly spending? And what shocked you the most? Habit 3. Live below your means. This is not about being cheap, it's about being strategic. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. The wealthy often live modestly, especially early in their journey. Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. The goal is to create a gap between what you earn and what you spend, and use that gap to invest. Ask yourself, what's one expense you can eliminate this month that won't actually affect your happiness? Habit 4. Invest consistently. Saving is important, but it's not enough. Your money needs to grow. Rich people don't just save, they invest. Whether it's stocks, real estate, index funds, or retirement accounts, they make their money work for them. Start with what you have. Even $50 a month into an index fund compounds over time. Time in the market beats timing the market. Ask yourself, what investment account can you open or contribute to this week, no matter how small? Habit 5. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is created equal. Credit card debt, payday loans, and high-interest car loans can crush your wealth-building potential. Rich people use debt strategically for real estate, business, or low-interest leverage, but they avoid consumer debt like the plague. If you're carrying high-interest debt, make a plan to eliminate it fast. Use the snowball or avalanche method. Ask yourself, do you know exactly how much debt you owe and how much interest you're paying on it every month? Habit 6. Learn about money daily. Knowledge compounds just like money. The wealthy read books, follow financial news, watch videos, and take courses. They treat financial education as a lifelong journey. Even just 15 minutes a day reading about money, investing, or economics can change how you make decisions. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Millionaire Next Door, or The Psychology of Money are a great place to start. Ask yourself, what was the last financial book or video you learned something powerful from? Habit 7. Set clear financial goals. Vague goals lead to vague results. Wealthy people set specific financial targets, a savings goal, an income target, and net worth milestone. They break it into monthly and weekly steps. Then they track their progress and adjust. This gives your money direction and purpose. Without a goal, you'll drift. With a goal, you'll grow. Ask yourself, what do you want your finances to be in 1 year? And what's your next step to get there? Bonus habit. Build multiple streams of income. One income stream is too close to zero. Rich people create multiple income sources, side hustles, rental income, dividend stocks, online businesses. Start building a second income, even if it's small. Over time, it can surpass your main job and give you true freedom. Ask yourself, what's one skill or interest you have that could be turned into a second income stream? If you've made it this far, congratulations. You're not just watching a video, you're investing in yourself. These 7 money habits are not just advice, they're a lifestyle. They've helped thousands of people break free from financial stress and build lasting wealth. And they can do the same for you. Now here's your challenge. Pick just one habit from today's video and apply it starting this week. Comment below and let us know which one you're starting with and why. And if you found value in this video, help us grow this community by hitting that like button, subscribing to InvestoSphere, and turning on the notification bell. We drop real, actionable financial strategies every week, made for real people just like you. Thank you for watching. And remember, financial freedom is not a dream. It's a habit.